Welcome back to Lee County Farms. Today we're raking and baling hay. So we got Farmer Don, he's doing the raking, and then Farmer Frankie, he's doing the rolling. So let's just take a look what we got. Well, Don got finished raking the hay, so Frankie, he's out rolling, so he's got a lot more to do, a little bit slower, probably about a third slower. Anyway, we'll get a few more shots and see how it's going. Well, it's getting later in the day. The hay roller's still doing good. Looks like dust, plenty of dust coming out of the back end, so hay hasn't picked up much moisture. So let's take a look at the hay. So still feels pretty good. Round rows look good and solid. I think they're about 1,000 pounds. Plenty left to do. It's probably about maybe 35, 40 acres in this area. Well, it's a late in the afternoon and Frankie got all the hay rolled up, so it looks pretty good. So here's a quick scan of the farm, hay fields. I think he said about 48 bales or rolls he got off here. And there's more to cut, so he only got about half of it cut, so man, it looks pretty good.